all the way up to the top over here. You got a little landing, and then dang, son.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the new Goon Squad garage, and today we got something a little bit different for you guys because we are basically done with this Urus right here. We're waiting on just a few more little pieces like a door handle and just to get ready for a paint job when the paint booth comes in. And also that Porsche right there, pretty much unfinished, but we are waiting on parts on that as well. So that's the only unfinished build that we got. So right now what we're gonna do is pretty much just prepare for another build. We definitely have something super epic planned. But before we actually reveal a brand new build to you guys, what we want to do is actually prepare for that sucker. And there's a lot of preparation that we got to do. I mean, just show them what's going on in here, dude.
Huge mess. I mean, we rarely have time to do cleanups because we're always working like all day. But you know what? I mean, that's just the part of it, you know?
We're always on the go and we're always trying to put out content. So today we're kind of like try to take a little pause from actually working on any of the builds and focus on a few things that we've been meaning to get done, and also go over a few things that we kind of kept secret for you guys. Like that right there. I know a lot of you guys might have seen that in the background, and that is something top secret right there. But you know what? We're gonna tell you guys exactly what that is and why we built that. But first things first, what we're gonna do is run to the Home Depot, grab a bunch of supplies that we need for that. We're gonna be doing some stuff up there, and then we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys why we built that sucker. Let me just show you guys just a quick golf cart view of what's going on in here. Stuff all over the place, Lamborghini parts, all sorts of stuff. Wheels and tires all over the place. Dusty builds. Beautiful sounding Porsche. Boxes. Tools all over the place. Clapped out Cherokee. I don't know what this sucker is doing in here. Dusty Camaro beast with the oil pan collecting oil from the clapped out Cherokee there. I mean, there's just a lot of stuff. We were actually thinking about not even releasing some videos for about a week, but you were saying not to because you'd rather put out quality versus quantity.
And we gotta like get our shop right now.
Yeah, but for me, I'm just like, dude, we can't let
people want content.
You guys want content, so I know you guys want it. And of course, there's some people that actually would agree with you as well and just put out that quality.
I mean, I don't care. I'll put it out. You know, it doesn't matter. You know, we do a lot of stuff every day. You know.
Just try
everything.
But you are thinking about maybe trying like a different approach, like maybe something we've never tried was just take a whole like week off and just focus on ordering like every little thing that we need. So we're kind of in a predicament right now, but at the same time, you know what, we've always
it's part of it. Yeah, part of working like this, you know.
Yeah, it's part of the YouTube game. It's just what you have to do, and we always figure things out, and we always got epic things planned. Just know, guys, you know, you have to be patient certain times in life, and right now the patience is going to pay off because we got something super epic planned.
Big time.
Alrighty guys, we are back from the Home Depot, and it's time to reveal to you guys the secret room.
The new room, or new to you guys, because we have been building this thing just off camera, just off to the side, just something that we've wanted to do. And dude, it's time to show you guys what it's all about, man.
Yes, sir. And we came back from the Home Depot with some materials. We got some flooring for up there, and also some more brick pattern.
Yeah, more brick pattern. That way we can just finish it up all the way to the top and make this just look super clean in here. It'll look like a building inside our shop, dude.
A building in a building, dude. It's gonna be epic. But look at this flight of stairs. Dude, first off, that's a beautiful,
I mean, beautiful, beastly made. These are some strong stairs. These are just done properly right here. I mean, look at this, heavy duty, walking all the way up to the top over here. You got a little landing, and then you walk into the room, man. Look at this,
That is right. This right here is the epic room, the think room, the office.
Dude, you got that right here. So this is just a perfect, it's an open floor plan, and we've already got all the walls, everything's been painted, lights, even got a green wall back there. That way you can just think of natural stuff, dude. Natural stuff will occur in your head and you come up with amazing ideas.
Creativity right
Yes,
there,
sir.
dude. We got a nice HVAC unit right here, mini split. Man, and these windows, look at the windows, dude.
3 windows, you can just walk over here while you're thinking, you just look at the new builds just come and go, man.
Exactly, but really why we built this is because we're pretty much at a room downstairs in the office. That's like a kitchen.
Yeah.
We definitely need somewhere where we could like maybe have a podcast set up. That way we could just brainstorm.
Yeah, podcasts, we have a desk up here and stuff like that. And also we want to like probably crank out some epic stuff for you guys out of here. So we got a few ideas of what we're going to do with this space. It's definitely going to be an epic space to be used up here for sure.
Yeah, this is definitely to promote organization because, you know, as you guys can tell, a lot of stuff going on out there. We want to be more organized with ordering parts, preparing for new builds, just becoming a better YouTube channel for you guys.
Yeah, 100%. And this is a part of it right here. So all we got left is to do the flooring in this thing. So we're going to do the flooring, then also just maybe some trim around the edges, and this thing will be done, dude.
This thing will be ready for some office furniture, like a nice little futon, crouton couch thing.
Something to close your eyes on for a couple seconds.
100%. But dude, what do you say, man?
Dude, I say we go ahead and bring up all that wood laminate up here and probably even knock this whole room out.
Goodness, man, definitely feels a lot better in here. Feels like, I don't know,
some cleaner, dude.
Feels like cozy, like a cabin or something, dude.
I'm telling you, man, that was like a nice little, like, it's not the, what do you call that wood?
The
natural
wood. It's not the real wood. This is some fake wood, I guess. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah. No, I was talking about the color, you know, natural color. I don't know, it has like some sort of like barnwood type color to it, but it was the best looking wood there, the best looking fake wood there.
Yeah, 100%, dude. I think that looks good, and I gotta say, dude, that right there brings me back to the good old hardwood days, dude.
I'm telling you, man, it was tough days. I mean, I already got blisters all over, dude.
A little bit of blisters, but dude, it felt good, dude.
It felt good, you know,
because we knocked it out in pretty quick.
Record time out there, man. We used to do whole entire apartment complexes with this stuff, dude.
Whole entire massive houses. So it's pretty crazy to actually just, while you're working, you're like thinking like, dang, dude, this is pretty epic that I know this skill.
Yeah, no skills. This is the easiest thing. Anybody can do this skill, but real hardwood, it's a different story. We thought about it, but it's not up for here, dude.
Yeah, definitely doesn't need it, but that looks really good right there. Still thinking about maybe adding a few more little things, like maybe a window right there. There's a beautiful view that way, dude.
Nice. Maybe add like a few nice windows right there. Definitely need to put trim all the way around. Pops actually went and picked up more trim. We'll probably get that knocked out next. And then we'll probably wire this bad boy up right here and get some AC in here. Because it's pretty hot, dude.
It's going to be awesome to have AC and heat in the wintertime when it gets cold and also when it gets really hot. Fully insulated. This place is fully insulated.
Yep, fully insulated.
All the way around, dude. This is awesome, dude.
100%. And look at this dimmable lights. Look at this. Nice and cozy,
dude,
man.
this is like a little apartment complex right here, dude.
Easily.
You could live up here if you wanted to, but anyway, yeah. But anyways, guys, epic view from up here, man. That's just
May have
awesome.
to do a little rope swing right here, just out there. You know what I mean?
just a nice little one of those bench sweet swings. You know what I mean?
I'm telling you, you just take off this railing, make a little door, just swing off, man.
Dude, we could do a little trampoline park in here. Right off of here, dude, just straight off.
A little zip line over there or something.
We're getting out of hand. can, anyways. But right
Turn
now,
it into a fantasy factory.
hey, it pretty much is. I mean, look at the
dude.
craziness going on in here.
100%.
It's already kind of late. We kind of had a late start today because we were doing a lot of brainstorming, a lot of preparing for the future.
Yes, sir.
Of Goon
Big
Squad.
stuff. Big stuff coming, dude.
Big epic stuff, dude. We're super happy with just how everything is about to change for the better.
Yes, sir.
But as of right now, I guess we'll continue probably tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow morning.
Alrighty guys, so check this out. We finally finished up this whole entire wall right there. I gotta say, it looks so much better. It actually looks like it's completed instead of like a bunch of plywood just hanging out right there. It just didn't look right. So happy we got that done right there. And also on the inside, we got that trim knocked out. I guess let's just go ahead, go up there and show you guys what it's about, dude.
Dude, super nice up there, especially with like the trim and all finished up. I mean, next thing is to basically just put some stuff in there, dude.
Yeah, we're gonna put a desk in there, like that couch that we were talking about, maybe a ping pong table, maybe a pool table or something like that. But give them a glance right quick. Look at that, dude.
Dude, sharp, dude.
Looks like a city or something inside of a building, man. We just need to like put some of them fake vines growing down right there. Maybe some of those street lights, dude, hanging off the side.
Dude.
It'll be unique, but also check out that baseboard right there. We threw that down super quick. We threw some baseboard or some trim right there. We gotta do a little bit of trim around that door, but other than that, dude, it's done pretty much. Dude.
Yeah, it's done super clean. Just need to clean it up a little bit. And dude, that looks amazing.
Looks
man.
super clean. Definitely gonna do a little bit of touch-up paint work here and there, but hey guys, this is it right here. This is the top secret room right here that we have been kind of working on the side, but now we can reveal it to you guys. We're actually gonna put this sucker to use here in the next couple of weeks and prepare for something super insane, guys. I can't wait to actually reveal this next thing to you guys. It's gonna be a game changer. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it's the biggest build that we have ever done.
It's the craziest,
That's
dude.
the craziest build. It's gonna be just something that we've never done, not even close. You know what I mean,
it's
dude?
super exciting. This is just something. I just wish we can show you guys, but not yet, dude.
Not yet. Just stay tuned, guys. But with all that being said, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys for understanding that this video may be a little bit shorter, but you know what? We're preparing things. But also drop all your comments and thoughts down below, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.